You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. These body baby, oh. These body baby, oh.
St. Maarten. See those mountains behind me? Yeah, I'm not here for long. I'm going to St. Barths.
We're just going quickly to the side.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So right now, I am taking a cab to downtown Phillipsburg, I believe it's called. And from there, I'm going to take a ferry across to St. Bart's. Pretty excited. Oh my God, guys, I wish I was able to capture footage from the plane. I didn't have a window seat, and the guy who had the window was like being a window hog. So I didn't get a chance to get footage when I was landing, but oh my God, it was so pretty. It's so rocky here. It's like a lot of rocks, and like the hotels and houses are built on rocks. Very nice. Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. So yes, I got my personal cabin.
Hi.
Oh my God. So I heard it's carnival here.
Yeah, it's carnival.
Yeah?
That's why I'm so tired.
What? Have you been going?
Last night was the biggest one, you know?
Oh no, last night?
Yeah, they had the Juve morning parade. That was crazy.
Oh my God, I've never done carnival before.
You should do it, man.
So, all right, so you said last night was the biggest night. When's the next big night?
Monday afternoon.
Really?
The grand parade.
So if I'm going to come back to St. Martin for one day, which day should it be?
Monday.
Really?
Monday. I tell you, just come for one day.
Okay. All right, so I guess Monday I'm going to be back on St. Martin. Where can I get costumes?
Oh, no, it's like, you could just come how you is now, because the costume thing is like with groups. So they already paid for months.
Oh, they already did it already. Oh.
It's not like you just come in like that.
Right, okay. All right, so I guess I don't get to wear costumes.
I just wear sexy stuff there. That's all.
Oh my God. It's beautiful here.
Oh, thanks. The weather, man.
Beautiful.
Which are you from?
New York.
Oh.
But I'm originally Jamaican though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I had a girlfriend from Jamaica a while back.
Did you?
Yeah, I was down there for December 2011.
Whoa, is that the best girlfriend you've ever had? Uh-oh!
She had her, how was it, how put it like, she was good at that time. That's what it's like.
Okay.
Women is women, no matter where you come from.
That is true.
Yeah,
I agree.
But some people will be talking about, yeah, if you deal with this lady, a Hispanic, she's gonna take your money.
Right.
Come on.
Women are women.
Women are women. All of them have the same thing.
I agree. I agree. And some are gonna have good qualities, some are gonna have bad qualities.
And some mess it up for the others.
Right. Where'd you guys meet?
I'm here on the island.
Oh yeah?
Here on the island.
Was she visiting?
Yeah.
Okay.
From there.
Okay.
But I really don't like to deal with local girls now.
Oh no?
Like, the place is too small. Huh?
Right.
That's the only thing.
Right.
The girlfriend who I have now, she's from here, but her parents is not from here. They're from Dominica and St. Lucia.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I get best of both worlds.
I got it.
The area, like the mostly nightlife, you know.
Oh really? The
Yeah.
clubs and stuff?
Yeah. The club is close to the airport.
Oh. Simpson Bay?
Yeah. I have maps in there now.
Okay.
In here.
In the back?
Yeah.
Oh.
I gotta see which one you put out. Want to see? Yeah. Go open it up.
These are.
Yeah. You can keep it.
Oh, thank you. So that's where I'm coming from, you guys. How beautiful is that? What's down there called?
Simpson Bay.
Simpson Bay.
Area.
And now I'm going to Phillipsburg.
And you're on top of Colby Hill.
Colby Hill?
Colby.
Colby Hill.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, so now I am in Phillipsburg by Great Bay Marina waiting for my ferry. It looks like that. Very, very pretty. Oh my god, look at the hills behind me, guys. You see that? So cute. So I have some time. It is 2 o'clock and my ferry doesn't leave until 3:45. So I'm just gonna go look around some shops and stuff. Gift shop. Thank you. Thanks. Is there a lot of nude bathing here? Beaches? Nude?
No, only one.
There's one nude?
Yes.
Where is it?
Oyan Bay Beach.
On St. Martin.
On St. Martin, yes.
I've made my first St. Martin purchase, you guys. I bought this tank top right here because it is hot as balls and I needed a little bit more room. Okay, I don't want to sweat like a pig before I get to my final destination. So, cute little tank top. Just very simple. A little pricey, but whatever. Anyway, I'm on this little bridge right here. Woo! Just in front of the water. I'm about to go over to Greenhouse, which I was told has really good wings and really good drinks. And then just walk around some more. I can't even like vlog while I'm walking around, you guys, because I've got my suitcases with me and it's impossible. So I have to wait really until I get to St. Barths to be able to do anything. Because every time I want to vlog, I have to stop. But guess what? Right over there, I see a sign that says free Wi-Fi. So you know what that means. McGon. So in true Bank of America fashion, I just went to the ATM because already I ran out of cash because I forgot to go to the ATM and I only had $60 on me, which I've already used for the cab and for the shirt. And I went to the ATM and of course my transaction was declined. So thank God there's this restaurant here that has they have Wi-Fi. So I just responded to an email because they sent an email asking if it was fraud. And so I responded and I said I attempted the transaction, so hopefully now when I go back to the ATM my card works, because that would not be good being stuck with no money. But yeah, I'm at Greenhouse. It's this restaurant right here, right on the water. I was told they have really good eats. I just ordered a strawberry daiquiri, but the prices are very freaking expensive, man. The Philly cheesesteak is like $20 damn near. That dear. But I was told that this would be a little bit on the pricey side. Shit, if I think this is pricey, what am I gonna think when I get to St. Barths? Because I heard St. Barths is dear. And they use euros over there, so you know it's up there. First meal on the island, you guys. Conch fritters with a strawberry daiquiri because it's hot as balls. Okay, hot as balls.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to this, nah, nah. That thing where I go feel it, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, they wine 'em. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything, and I'ma give you anything.
Alright, I don't like this ride. I do not like this ride, guys. This shit is mad shaky, and it's scary, and it feels like your belly is falling out from under you. It's rough. Look how rough the water is.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of